Assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys are doing well. This is Miss Shazia and I'm here with yet another fun art project for you guys to try at home. So today I have paint, I have some glitter, I have a piece of white paper that I have folded into half. Please ask a parent or somebody older than you to fold your sheet of paper into an exact half, okay? And I also have a paper towel that I have kept wet with water just because it's easier to wipe the fingers with. You could also use a wet paper towel, or you could use a wet wipe, or you could use a dry paper towel. However, if you have paint on your hands, it's nice to have wet wipes or a wet paper towel. Anyway, so today we're going to start by doing something called symmetry. We're going to experiment with a thing called symmetry, which means if one side of something has an image, the other side has the exact same image. Now, you might have tried this at home, but I want to help you guys try it with me. So what I am going to do is I'm going to take my piece of paper. I'm going to lay one side flat, and I'm going to let the other side just flap in the air, okay? So one side is flat and the other side is flapping, okay? Now I'm going to take my paint and I am going to just dab it on the paper, okay? So I'm going to take some blue. I'm going to let it move around a little bit. Maybe I will. And then I'm going to take some pink and I'm just going to drop it on the paper, okay? So my pink paint isn't too liquidy, so it's not going to move as much. Then I am going to see if I can take some yellow. There we go. All right, so here is my paint. As you can see, it's all on this piece of paper that's lying flat. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to take my piece of paper that's flapping on top and I'm going to fold it over this paper. And I am going to just gently rub my fingers all over it. So what might happen is that some of the paint is going to come out from the edge. And that's just fine. That's why you have your paper towels or your wet wipes to keep your hands, to wipe your hands later on, okay? But for now, I'm just having a boatload of fun, just spreading all this paint out. And as you can see, it's coming all the way down. And it's coming out from the sides, but that's okay. Now comes the fun part. I am going to open the top flap and I'm going to see, did I get a fun project out of this? Did I make anything fun? How did my artwork turn out? And it's beautiful. I just have to be a bit gentle because my paper is very thin. However, if you look at these two images, they're exactly the same. And here is my beautiful picture. It got a bit torn, but here you go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to first wipe my hands with some wet paper towel, and I am now going to just take this image and I'm going to sprinkle it with some fun gold glitter. I know you guys love glitter. I hope your parents can get you some either from Amazon or Walmart. It's really easy to find. If you can't find glitter, no big deal. Just use paint. It's fine. Okay, so here we go. I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope you'll have a boatload of fun experimenting, trying loads of different colors, and post your work on Seesaw. Please, I love watching all the good stuff you're doing. It's so much fun, and I hope you guys are having a good time. I hope you're taking good care, and until next time, Salam Alaikum.